Okay. So, example number 1, find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to 9 minus x squared and the x-axis. Okay. So, but before that, what we are going to do is, of course, to trace. No? Kasi kailangan natin i-trace yung curve natin. So, this is y is equal to 9 minus x squared. So, tingnan natin. So, y is equal to 3 minus x at saka difference of 2 squares to 3 plus x. So, we have here 3 minus x, 3 plus x. Ayun, nagamit na rin natin yung tinuro ni sir. Sabi mo, tinuturo mo yun ni sir. Hindi pa nyo nagamit. Yung mga previous na example. Yung sa'yo, nakakura. Okay. Ayan. So, ito ay magsisiro siya sa 3. Magsisiro siya sa 3. Ito ay magsisiro sa negative 3. Tapos, of course, si y is the product of the x minus 3 and the x plus 1. Si 3 minus x ay magsisiro dito. Be careful dito ha. Be careful. Kasi kapag mas malaki yung value ng x, what will happen? Kapag 3 minus 4, magiging negative yung sagot mo. No? Mas malaking value ay magpapa-negative sa sagot natin. So meaning, negative tayo sa kanan, positive tayo sa kaliwa. Baka masanay kayo kasi sa mga previous problems natin, lahat yun ay positive ang kanan at negative yung kaliwa. So, yun yung sinasabi ko na be careful. You have to test. Kasi, you have to substitute, you know? Kasi para alam mo kung ano yung mangyayari. So, 0 siya dito sa positive, sa negative 3. Of course, kapag mas malaking number, positive yung sagot. So, positive sa kanan, negative naman sa kaliwa. Okay? So, dito ay negative, 0 dyan, positive dyan, 0 dyan, and negative dito. Okay. Kung kukunin natin yung value ng ating y-intercept, our b is equal to, is 0 lang naman natin yung x natin, our b is equal to 9. Okay? Lahat ng nag-0 dito sa final answer natin ay yung mga x-intercept naman natin. So, kung i-graph natin to, we would have yan. Kung i-graph natin to, so meron tayong 0, 9 kasi ito yung ating y-intercept. So, that's 0, 9. Itong mga to, mga x-intercept yan. So, negative 3, 0. And this is 3, 0. So, dito sa negative 3, magsisiro tayo dyan. Tapos, dito sa positive 3, magsisiro tayo dyan. So, saan pa tayo magsisiro? Sa final exam. Hindi, joke lang. Ito, magsisiro tayo sa 9. Okay. Ngayon, bakit magsisiro? 0 yung x rather. Tapos, that would be 9. Ngayon, kung titingnan natin yung symmetry natin, if we are going to substitute the negative x here, na mag-substitute ka ng negative x dun sa x, ang function natin is unchanged. So, we know that this is symmetrical with respect to the y-axis. So, ito yung curve natin. Connect natin doon. Tapos, connect natin. Kung AutoCAD lang to, dali lang to i-mirror eh. Yan. Ngayon, kung titingnan natin, beyond negative 3, siya ay negative. Beyond positive 3, siya ay negative. So, ibig sabihin, kung itutuloy ko yung graph, ito yan. Paglampas mo ng negative 3, negative na yung mga dyan graph. Paglampas mo ng positive 3, negative na rin. Yan. Pero, ano lang ba yung pinag-uusapan natin dito? Yung area bounded by the curve and the x-axis. So, yung area na pinag-uusapan natin dito is this, no? Yung area na to, bounded by the x-axis at saka ng curve. Yan. Wala na tayong pakialam doon sa area sa baba. Ito lang yung area na to ang kailangan natin. So, magde-decide na tayo ngayon, no? Total, mga pala-desisyon naman tayo sa buhay, diba? Ayan. So, mag-decide tayo kung alin ba yung gagamitin natin. So, unahin muna natin yung ating horizontal strip. Kung mag-horizontal strip tayo, since alam natin na yung mukha sa kanan ay yun din yung sa kaliwa. No? So, since alam natin na itong, inunit ko lang no? Ang nasa kanan ay yun din yung sa kaliwa. So, kung mag-horizontal strip tayo, ay ito na lang. Kalahati lang. kalahati lang yung kunin natin, i-times 2 natin yung sagot natin. So, this would be x, tapos ito ay dy. So, using the horizontal trick. Okay. So, we have our y is equal to 9 minus x squared. And ito, yung x natin, ito yan. Ito, yan yung x natin, x to the right. Tapos ito yung point na to, yan yung x natin sa left. Okay. Yung x natin sa right ay sino? Manggagaling sa equation natin. Kasi x nga ang pinag-uusapan natin. No? Dapat yung mga x, hindi na yung ginaalala eh. Ayan eh. Joke lang. Okay. So, galing dito, yan x. Lipat natin ha. X squared is equal to 9. Then, we can say that our x, may y pa. 9 minus y. So, our x is equal to the square root of 9 minus y. No? So, meaning this is square root of 9 minus y. And x natin sa left is equal to 0. No? Kasi nasa origin siya. Okay. So, we have our area is equal to the integral of x dy. No? So, limit. Since naka-y tayo, limit from y1 to y2. Tapos, sabi ko nga, since symmetrical to, yung area sa kanan, ayun din yung area sa kaliwa. So, therefore, ita times 2 natin to. So, our area is equal to 2 integral from y1 to y2. Tapos, yung x natin is the x right minus x left. No? X right minus x left multiplied by dy. Okay. So, substitute natin yung mga values natin. We have 2 integral of... Ngayon, since y ang pinag-uusapan natin, hanggang saan lang ba may graph? Yung may graph tayo ay simula sa 0 o yung boundary na hinihingi natin, since naka-y tayo, akyat tayo hanggang saan? Hanggang sa 9. No? So, yun yung y. Yun yung coverage ng y. Simula sa 0 hanggang sa 9. So, that would be 0 to 9. Okay. So, we have here x right. Yung x right natin, ano yung x right natin? Ito si square root of 9 minus y. Anong x left? 0. Hindi, huwag nyo isulat. 0 lang yun. No? Minus 0. Pero hindi ko na ilalagay. Oh, minus 0 lang naman. No? That is dy. Okay? Solve na natin. So, kung isusolve natin to, we have, babalik pa rin tayo dun sa sa idea nung midterm natin. Kaya huwag kakalimutan yung techniques of integration. Kaya tinuro yun para dito yun. No? Pagdating ng finals, application kasi tayo. Our area is equal to, natin ha, kasi yung y na to, dapat derivative niya to. No? So, since hindi negative dy ito, I have to multiply negative. So, we have here the negative 2 from 0 to 9 of 9 minus y raised to 1/2 tapos negative dy. So, since derivative niya na yung katabi niya, we can now apply the power rule. No? So, we have here negative 2 and then this is 9 minus y raised to 3/2 over 3/2. Ayun. So, limit from 0 to 9. And then, we are now going to apply the limit. So, that would be negative 2. No? Ano ko na lang to? Ilabas ko na agad sa 2/3. No? Kasi that would be negative 2 over 3/2. No? So, magiging 2/3 yan siya. So, negative 2 times 2/3. Kaya magiging negative 4/3 yan. So, negative 4/3. Okay. So, applying the limit, yung limit natin, 9 minus 9 raised to 3 halves. Minus 9 minus 0 raised to 3 halves. Idea lang to nung previous topic natin na the upper limit, no, minus the lower limit. Substitute lang naman natin yan. And using the calculator, so we can now compute for this. We have negative 4/3. And since 9 minus 9 is 0, so wag na natin siyang isama. Minus 9 raised to 3 halves. Okay. And this is equal to 36. So our area is equal to 36 square units. Okay. So proceed tayo sa using vertical strip, yung other solution na dapat pareho yung mapalabas nating sagot, no? So, ang gagawin ko dito ay kukopihin ko na lang ito yung curve natin na nag-graph natin kanina para hindi ko na siya ulitin. So, for our solution number 2, we are now going to make use of the vertical strip. No? So, kung kanina, ang ginamit natin dito ay horizontal, ngayon ay vertical strip naman yung gagamitin natin. Now, for the vertical strip, since sabi ko nga, magkamukha naman, symmetrical naman siya, yung nasa kaliwa ay kamukha lang din yung nasa kanan. Kaya, okay lang yun na ito na lang yung limit natin. Galing lang tayo sa 0, papuntang 3, no? Tapos ita times 2 lang din natin yung sagot natin. Okay? So, yan. Sobrahan. Yan. Yan yung strip natin. Ngayon, from here, we have here the dx. Tapos ito ngayon, yung height na to, yun yung y. No? So, with this, we have here our integral. Now, area is equal to the integral of the y dx. So, since naka-dx tayo, our limit would be from x sub 1 up to x sub 2. Kasi naka-x tayo. Okay? So, i-establish muna natin ano yung equation natin. Our equation is y is equal to 9 minus x squared. Okay? So, since naka-y na to, so wala na tayong problema. Hindi na natin siya kailangan i-rewrite. Now, sino yung y na to? Kung titingnan natin, ito yung part na to, nag-touch siya dyan. Ibig sabihin ito yung equation na to, that would be your y up, no? The upper y. Now, the lower y would be this point here. So, since that's the lower y, that would be equal to 0. No? Since from this, we can say that our area is the integral from x sub 1 to x sub 2 of our y up minus y low dx. Okay? So, substituting our equation, and we have here x sub 1 to x sub 2. Tapos, that would be y up minus y low. Since 0 na lang yung y low, wag na natin siya isulat. So, that's 9 minus x squared. And that is dx. No? So, ito ngayon yung ating i-establish. No? Ano ba yung ating x sub 1 at yung ating x sub 2? Okay? So, kung makikita natin dito, yung graph natin, no? Yung graph natin would be from, so dito kasi ang ginamit niya is from negative 3 to positive 3. So, dito ipakita ko muna from 0 papuntang 3. Tapos, ita times 2 lang natin. No? Kasi, yun lang din yun yung sagot nun. Lagyan ko na dito agad ang times 2. Yan. Ita times 2 natin. So, we have here times 2 of the limit. Ang x sub 1 natin is 0. Ang x sub 2 natin is 3. So, from 0 to 3 of 9 minus x squared dx. Tapos mamaya, papakita ko yung galing sa negative 3 papuntang positive 3. Okay? So, we have here our area is equal to, so integrate natin to. For integration nito, ay ihihiwalay natin to. Distributive kasi ito eh. So we have here 2 multiplied by the integral from 0 to 3 of 9 dx minus the integral from 0 to 3 of x squared dx. So we have 2 integral of 9 is 9x, limit natin from 0 to 3 minus integral ng x squared is x cubed over 3, limit from 0 to 3. Na? So, we have here our area is equal to 2 times 9 times 3. Ayan, ito yan. Tapos minus 9 times 0. Sulat ko lang para may ano tayo. Dapat kasi nag-base na ako dito. Palitan ko lang. Papalitan natin ng bracket. Tapos, lagyan natin ng base. Ayan. So, ito yung para dito kay 9x. Para dito sa isa, so minus. We have here 3 cubed over 3 minus 0 cubed over 3. No? So, we have here our area is equal to 2 times. Dito, 9 times 3, 27 yan. And then, in here, that would be 3 cubed divided 3 is 3 square. 3 square is 9. Diba? So, minus 9. Okay. So, we have here, area is equal to 2 times. So, 18 ito times 2, our area is equal to 36 square units. 36 square units yung sagot natin dito using the horizontal strip. Yung sagot natin kanina using the vertical strip is also 36 square units. Pareho lang, no? What if, yung sinasabi ko kanina na ang gagamitin ko dito ay hindi yung limit from 0 to 3. Ang gagamitin ko ay yung limit from negative 3 up to positive 3. Kasi saklaw niya naman yung lahat eh. So, tingnan natin. I have here the integral. The area is equal to the integral from negative 3 to positive 3 of the y up minus y low. My y up is 9 minus x squared. Y low ko ay 0. So, hindi ko na siya isasama. Okay. So, area is equal to the integral of this, kopihin na lang natin, no? Kasi pareho lang naman yun. That is 9x minus x cubed over 3. Yun yung integral natin. Limit natin dito from negative 3 to positive 3. Okay? So, our area is equal to 9, upper limit tayo, times 3 minus 3 cubed over 3. Upper limit yan, minus lower limit, 9, negative 3, minus negative 3 raised to 3, over 3. Okay, so let's complete for this. Our area is equal to 9 times 3, minus 3 raised to 3, over 3. Minus 9 times negative 3 minus negative 3 raised to 3 over 3. Yan. And that would be equal to 36. So this is equal to 36 square units. Okay? So, tatlo na yung solution natin dito ha. Sa module ninyo, dalawa lang yung pinakita doon.